Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can animate your images without any editing skills. So you can just go here and type canva.com, and after that now you can simply upload your image or photos from here. Then you can directly upload folder as well as you can upload files. So let me select one of the random photo. Then after that you will see two options here. Then click here use in a design. Then you can select custom size, then create a new design. You can select width and height for image, then click here create new design. After that now image is added in Canva for editing. Then click here, and on the top here you can see animate. Click here, then scroll down, and within a single click you can animate your image. For example, you can go here and check the effects. So I want to go with second one. Then you can increase or decrease animation speed. Then scroll down, and you can change the direction of the image. And here you can find out these are some other effects, like you find out transitions. So whatever you like you can easily add here. Then scroll down. So also you can add anything, and here you can select the direction. Then scroll down. You can also add these effects. So these are all the cool animation effects that you can easily add, and you can rotate your image to any angle. So these are the great effects in Canva. And after that now you can download your image in different formats. Here you can see video format as well as SVG format and GIF format. So for the animated images this format is recommended. Then you can simply go and download. And if you want to remove background, then you can go here with transparent background, and after that click here download button. In this way you can easily animate your images and add motion effect.